So most people that are watching this are only going to have a single Azure subscription. And if that's the case, then you don't really need to know this. But if you have multiple Azure subscriptions at your disposal, then you're going to want to be able to set the Azure subscription that you want to create resources in, because otherwise you may not be creating resources in the subscription that you wish. So we're in a PowerShell command here, and I'm already logged in. I connected to Azure, and now I'm running the command get-az subscription. Hit enter, and it comes up and says there are actually 3 subscriptions associated with my account, which is true. Now there is the subscription I use for my training, which is the first one. There's another subscription I use as a demonstration, and there's another client's subscription here. So if we are looking to set one of these subscriptions as being the active one, then what we need to do is basically create a context variable. So $context equals get AZ subscription. Got to spell it right. And we're going to pass in the parameter subscription ID. Now we're going to grab the ID from one of these subscriptions. I'm going to grab my primary one and paste it here. And that's going to get the context of the subscription and set this variable with it. Now we want to set AZ context to our context. By doing that, we're basically saying this is the subscription we're going to be using to create resources in this PowerShell session. So if you are facing multiple subscriptions, there's a very easy method here with the get AZ subscription and the set AZ context commands in order to set the one that you work with.